Welcome everyone to Nandita's Edu Creations. Let us learn the chapter Coorg from your English First Flight book in a simple, easy and interesting way. So let us start. Coorg, the smallest district of Karnataka, is located between Mysore and Mangalore. It is inhabited by martial men and beautiful women. Coorg is also known as Kodagu. There are evergreen forests, spices and coffee plantations and colonial bungalows. The people are descendants of Greeks and Arabs. The best time to visit Coorg is from September to March, as the weather is perfect. A story goes that a part of Alexander's army settled here and married local women, so the present race is a mixture of both cultures. They wear long black coats with embroidered waist belts. This is called kupiya. Same type of dress is also worn by the people of Arabs and is called kufiya. The people are brave, hospitable and are proud to tell about the bravery of their forefathers. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. The river Kaveri gets water from the hills of Coorg. A fish, mahashir, abounds in this water. Animals like monkeys and squirrels drop half-eaten fruits in the river water. Kingfishers dive in it. Elephants are bathed in it by their mouths. River rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking make life adventurous. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. The entire Coorg can be seen from the Brahmagiri hills. Crossing a rope bridge, one can reach to 64-acre island of Nisarga Dhama. Bailakupi is known as India's Tibet. The Buddhist monks are seen here in red, ochre, yellow robes. Coorg is considered as the heart and soul of India.